What's up, you guys? Today is day number 28 of my 30-day video challenge, and on this video I want to show you a tool that I use to create capture pages. Okay, now you can create more than just capture pages, but this is a tool that I use to create capture pages when I need to create one real fast. Okay, so that particular tool is called Online Sales Pro. Now you can see here, in order to create a capture page, all you have to do is come on the Edit tab here, and you will go to the page templates here. Okay, so let's say, for example, I wanted to create a page with a video on it as well as a capture form. All right, so I could click on this particular page and it's pretty much already done for you. Now you can change the headline obviously, but I'm not going to do that for the sake of time in this video. Then you're going to need your link for your video. So if you're going to be using a video in your capture page, I wouldn't use YouTube because YouTube shows related videos at the end now, and they won't let you take it off. So you're better off going with Vimeo because they won't show related videos at the end of your video. The last thing you want is for somebody on your capture page to be led to another marketer's stuff because of the related videos that show at the end of it. That's just dumb. So use a Vimeo video there, and then if you need to change your sub headline, you can create your sub headline, and then your button text. Your button text is what's going to show on the button. Okay, so let's come down here, and your destination URL is where you want your people to go after they see your I'm sorry. Your destination URL is where people go after they opt in. So whatever business opportunity or whatever it is that you want them to see after they give you their contact information, that's the link that you put there. Okay, and then all you need to do is give your page a name. You can only use numbers and letters, no spaces or anything like that. And then once you give it a name, you can click on save, and you can create the page. But there's one additional step that you should take. You also can integrate your autoresponder. So if you have MailChimp, you have Aweber, GetResponse, or something like that, you can put your list name in here, and then it will integrate with your autoresponder. Now you do have to integrate your autoresponder into the system first, but once you do that, it'll link any of your lists into the capture page. All right, so let's click on save and preview. Okay, I already used this page name, huh? Okay, there we go. All right, so
Hey
this
guys,
is a
Joel here,
preview
Online Sales Pro.
page. So this is a preview page of what that capture page would look like. Okay, so the copy is good, the video looks good, the form is good. So all you need to do to make that page go live is click done, and then you can start promoting that page. Okay, you could, from start to finish, that took every bit of 60 seconds to do this. The longest part of this process is going into your autoresponder to find out what your list name is that you want to link to your autoresponder. But other than that, this is really probably the fastest page builder that you're going to find, just because a lot of it is already done for you. The only thing you need to do is tweak the headline. Tweak your headline and change your video out. Okay, so if I wanted to change my video out, I could go into Vimeo right now and put in a different video there, and I would be done. So let's go back to the editor real quick, and you can also create sales pages. So the sales page is the page people see after they opt in. So if you wanted to create sales pages, for example, you could click on quick sales pages, and you can see an example of some of them there on the page there. So let's say you wanted to use this one. Well, the only thing you'd need to do once again is change the headline, change the video, and then this particular instance, your button more than likely would go to your join page. Okay, so you will put your direct link to join your business as the button because the sales page is going to be explaining your business opportunity. Okay, now same scenario. You just click on save, and you'd be done, and you go from there. So let me come back. Now, the only other thing that I wanted to share with you guys here is that OSP also comes with a phone app. So anytime that you get leads, you're going to get notifications on your cell phone, which is really cool. Okay. And if you get those notifications on your. Yeah, so if you want to use the phone app, you can download the phone app, and then it'll notify you every time you get leads, and you can respond with canned messages that they have in the phone app. You can respond directly to your leads straight from your phone. Um, Now, if you want to get access to Online Sales Pro, I'll show you the affiliate page real quick. The essential is all you need. Okay. Now, if you want to get a little fancy, you can do the complete. It has a lot more training, but the essential, it comes for $47 a month. You get all of what I shared with you. And there's also some really good training. And I did not share the training with you. So let me click on the resources tab here. And in the resources tab, you can see here there is a spot called marketing training. Well, if you've been marketing and you've been involved in network marketing for any amount of time, you're probably familiar with Cedric Harris, Bob Helig. Then they also have Ray Higdon. They've got training by some of the best network marketers that there are. John and Nadia Melton. Max Knowles, I know who all of these people are, and they're all $1 million earners in network marketing. So this is definitely good training that you guys would want to go through so that you can learn some new things. Okay, and then if you have the upgraded version, you're going to get access to a lot more training, which will be over here in the MVP VIP section. Unfortunately, I don't pay for the VIP section because I don't have a need for it. I've been online for damn near 20 years, so I don't really need a whole lot more training. It gets to a certain point that it's more about action than it is about training. Some people get so caught up on the training, but they don't take any action. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I have 2 more days left to complete this 30-day video challenge. If you want to check out Online Sales Pro, I'll leave a link down in the description below the video here. If you have questions, leave them in the comments. And if you got any value from this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys tomorrow for day number 29 of my 30-day video challenge. Take care.